there everyone, and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Rumba practice routine number 7, and this was taught in our online class on Monday the 27th of February 2023. Very short summary, let me make a start. I started with the feet open, weight on the right foot. I moved the weight to the left foot. I did a rock step back and straight forwards. Weight went down onto the right foot. I did a spiral. Using my left foot to walk out to fan. Left, right, pivot. Left went back. Close, forwards, forwards. Turn, turn, side. Turn, turn, side. Fencing line. 3-step turn on the right foot. A ronde, tuck into a little hook, pivot, pivot, pivot with weight on the right foot, and I have rolled into another spiral. Let me do that with the numbers. Open the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There we go. Like I said, it was only a very short routine, and that was taught in the class online via Zoom on the 27th of February 2023. So if you're on the website and you're looking in my video library, that's where you will find the full class along with the quick step as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you're seeing this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're already in my video library, then thank you so much for supporting me. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.